Hello, Spanish teachers. Today we're going to talk about drone video, aerial video, and why it's so important when we are talking about creating culturally authentic materials, specifically with like a travel video or a video about a specific Spanish-speaking country. So first of all, 13 days until I go to Oaxaca and San Sebastian Rio Hondo, and I'm really excited and getting ready. I've had two individuals respond with requests for me to do conversations with them in Oaxaca, and I'm sure that I'll get some in San Sebastian Rio Hondo. It's a little bit more remote, a little bit harder to get a hold of people, which I think will be so cool when I'm there. So anyways, with that being said, let's dive into reasons why drone video is so important while we watch this quick montage of the drone footage that I've done in the past year. And I hope you enjoy it. Let's talk about it. All right. In a way, it's like we're saying to the viewers, here's the bigger picture of where the story lives. Contextualizing the culture, aerial footage shows landscapes, city layouts, farmland, coastlines, mountain ranges, etc. It can establish a setting or a mood. Drone shots can serve as cinematic, establishing shots that set the tone before diving into close-up human interactions. They can highlight cultural spaces. Many cultural activities are tied to specific locations, plazas, temples, markets, riverbanks, etc. Storytelling in editing drone footage acts as a visual breather between interviews or street-level clips, just like this. Authenticity, as well, an emotional connection. So when we're talking about all of these different drone videos, that's what we're talking about. It plays a huge role in the emotion and setting the scene and everything like that. And that's what I'll give you. So thank you very much. Talk to you later.